Well, update on the Warrior now. Just got back from riding. Went up behind the house today for a little bit. And I come around the turn by the beaver pond up around here, up by the tubes. And if you can see, my one wheel's setting crooked. Got the damn axle bent. There's a big hole in the side of the tire here. Stick my finger in the hole. And front rim's got a mark there and nice chunk there where it got a little bit bent. Guy come around the corner on a 250 Suzuki dirt bike and hit me. Tell you what, he went for one hell of a ride, but I guess it'll be setting for a little while until I get an axle put back on it. But later on, guys.